Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can add and apply a data layer to your map on Google Earth really quickly. For example, to highlight specific parts or items on the maps like, I don't know, cities, counties, states, countries, and so on and so forth. So you may use data layers for that and apply them to your map here on Google Earth. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to Google Earth, access it via Google Chrome, for example, locate to the area or country we would like to apply the filter or data layer for. So let me navigate to the United States, and basically what you need to do, guys, is click on add here in the top left and select data layer from that list below, like for example using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+I on your keyboard or by left clicking on it. And after that you'll be given access to a variety of data layers. Some of them can already be selected and applied, like these three here: administrative area 1, 2, 3, highlighting for example boundaries for states, for counties, or for cities in the United States. Some of these data layers may be locked currently, so let me go for example with that one here, highlighting the boundaries for counties and other areas of similar size. Click on select. After that, confirm by clicking add to project here, and that is going to add these boundaries between counties, as you can see here in the United States. So you may zoom in a bit to get a better overview, and as you can see, these boundaries are clearly visible. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.